English speaking course.
Learn vocabulary in familiar places. If you want a better vocabulary, this video has 10 simple conversations at familiar places in your everyday life. You can practice immediately after studying. At the workplace.
Come in.
You called me, sir?
Sit down, please. Do you know about the plan to move our office next month?
Yes, Jennifer told me.
We will be relocating to 8 King Street, New York, on May 15th, 2023.
Okay.
The new office has more spacious co-working areas. It is near Central Express train station, and there is a large parking lot on site for those who drive.
I think everyone will like the new office.
I hope so. Peter has the responsibility of coordinating the move.
Sure.
Please send an email to everyone about this plan.
Yes, sir. At the gym. Hi, are you done with this treadmill? Yeah, I am. What's wrong with your shoulder? My muscles are aching lately. Did you get a personal trainer? No, I just joined the gym this week. When I joined, I signed up for a trainer for a few sessions. She helped me set up a good regimen. Thanks for your information. I'm Anna. I'm Lily. Nice to meet you. What's wrong? I think this treadmill is broken. It doesn't work. A few minutes ago it was working. No idea. I will let the staff know about the treadmill. Okay. At home. Honey, there's no water in the bathroom suddenly.
Really? Let me see.
Few moments later.
Well, it's not working, and I didn't find anything strange.
So what happened?
Let's check the other taps.
Okay, I'll check in the kitchen.
I will check in the garden.
What should we do when there is no water?
I'll call Tom to ask if he's also having trouble with water loss.
Okay, I'll call Aurora to check. Aurora's house has also lost water.
It's the same with Tom's house.
We've probably got a municipal water supply problem.
We should call the water department to find out what the issue is.
You're right. At the beach.
Ah, the early morning beach. It gives me a peaceful feeling.
Let's go swimming.
Wait, I have an idea. What is it? We will have a swim competition. Whoever wins first place will be treated to a hearty dinner by the rest.
I'm in.
Dinner with lots of seafood?
Sure, why not?
Okay, I'm in.
How about you, Lisa? It's not fair. Andrew is a swimmer. Peter's part-time job is in the pool. And Rose, you are a member of the university's swimming team. Then you will be the referee. Well, it's fine.
And the referee still has to treat the winner to dinner.
No way. No referee at all. I'm in.
Let's go.
At a restaurant.
Excuse me.
How can I help you?
It's been 30 minutes since I placed my order. I haven't received any appetizers or even drinks yet.
Kindly give me a couple minutes. I'll check your order.
I'm in a hurry.
Yes, sir. I'll bring your drinks now, and your order will be on your table within the next 5 minutes.
Thank you.
5 minutes later.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I have some problems here with this dish.
What's wrong with it, sir?
I ordered a well-done steak, and the steak is not well cooked.
I apologize for this mistake. Allow me to get you a better dish.
Usually, such things do not happen here.
It's a random mistake. I apologize.
I would appreciate it if you can replace it.
Sure. Thanks for your patience.
In a bookstore.
Hi, how may I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a nonfiction book.
Are you looking for hardbacks or paperbacks?
A hardback book.
The nonfiction new releases are right here.
Actually, I'm looking for an old book. The Living Mountain.
Do you know the name of the author?
Nan Shepherd.
Ah, I remember. The Living Mountain, published in 1977.
Do you have it?
Unfortunately, it is out of print.
Is there any chance that it's still in print?
If it was a bestseller at one time, there's a chance.
Here's my phone number. Please contact me if you have any information. I really need it for a friend. An important gift.
Okay, Ms. Nicole.
Thank you. At the supermarket.
Hi, I bought this here, but it's out of date.
Just wait a moment. Let me check.
Yes, please. Its expiration date was July, but now it's August.
May I see your receipt?
Oh, I don't know if I have it here.
We can't return the item if you don't have a receipt.
Sure, give me a second. I just bought it 2 days ago. I think the receipt is still in my pocket. Here it is.
I apologize for this mistake.
Don't worry.
Can I exchange this for you?
Yes, I'd appreciate it.
Here you are, sir. Thanks for your patience.
Thanks.
In the kitchen. Honey, I'd like to eat some of that apple pie that you always make. Okay, I'll make it for you. You are the best. But I need your help. Really? You know I can't cook. You don't need to cook, just follow what I say. Okay. Let's start it. We need peeled apples, then thinly sliced apples. Yes, ma'am. We need sugar, eggs, and milk also. Oh no, there's not enough for the pie. Let's check in the cabinet. There is no sugar left in the cabinet. We've also run out of milk. There's only 1 egg left. I will go to the supermarket right away and buy all of the necessary ingredients. Okay, honey. I'll be right back. At the coffee shop.
When did we order drinks?
We ordered drinks the moment we entered here.
It's been 30 minutes.
Yes, it's the weekend, so it's pretty crowded.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
It's been 30 minutes since we placed our order. We haven't received any drinks yet. We ordered a hot cappuccino and a hot latte.
Kindly give me a couple minutes. I'll check your order.
We can't wait anymore.
Your drinks will be on your table within the next 5 minutes, sir.
Are you sure?
Absolutely, sir. I apologize for this. This will not happen again. And thanks for your patience.
At school. Hey, wake up! What? What's happened? Don't sleep in class. The teacher is teaching. She didn't know that I was sleeping. But don't do that again. She will. Keep your eyes on the board. I can't focus. I can't open my eyes. Leave me alone. Okay.
Everyone, please open your books to page 57. Who will read the first paragraph? Chris will read the first paragraph. Chris, wake up.
Leave me alone, Linda.
Oh, Ms. Mary.
Are you sleeping well?
Yes. I mean, no. I mean,
Please see me after class.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for a more useful video.